Good evening to all of you. In this section, we are going to discuss about the control word. First, what is the meaning of control word? Is nothing but it is a word which contains so many bits, and the bits represent the various operations. So, in this section, we are taking the four fields here. One is called as selection A, selection B, another one. Third one is the operation. Fourth one is the selection D. Okay. So what is the purpose of the selection A? Nothing but so we are selecting the one register value by using selection A, and selection B we can choose the another register value selection B. Selection D nothing but destination register, and OPR nothing but it is the operations. We can select the any one of the some operations. What type of operations? Nothing but data transfer, arithmetical, logical, shift, rotating. So as shown in the block diagram, it is a block diagram, and here we are taking the 7 registers R1 to R7 registers and one input data, that is called as a selection A. Selection B contain the totally 3 selection lines. Nothing but the selection A contain the 3 bits, selection B contain the 3 bits. At the same time, the destination register also contain the 3 bits here. And OPR operations, we can take the various steps of operations. In our example, we are taking the 5-bit operation. By using the 5 bits, we can select the 32 operations. So we are defining the only sum operations out of the 32. So that is called as here the selection A contain the 3 bits, selection B contain the 3 bits, selection D contain the 3 bits, and operation contains the 5 bits here. Okay. So it is a use of the selection A comma selection B selection D. When you are selecting the 00, you can select the input value 001, you can select the R1 register, like that 111 which will select the R7 register. And for the operations, we are taking the 5 bits here. So by using 5 bits, we can generate the totally 32 operations. But out of the 32 operations, so here we are taking the only some operations here. First one is called a transfer A, second one is the increment A, third one is the addition, fourth one is the subtraction, fifth one is the decrement A, sixth one is the AND operation, seventh one is the OR operation, eighth one is the XOR operation, ninth one is the complement A, 10th one is the shift right accumulator towards the right side, and the last one is the shift the accumulator towards the left side. Okay. And by using mnemonics, who can define, so who can write down these operations like that. So addition, for the addition you can write the add, for the subtraction you can write the sub, for the unding you can write the und, for the or you can write the or. And how you can write the control word here. So for example, we are taking this type of operation, R1 implies R2 minus R3, which means that sub R1 comma R2 comma R3. So we are subtracting the R3 value from R2. After that, we are saving the resultant value in the R1. Okay. And it is called as a selection A. It is called as a selection A. It is called as selection B, and the destination is called as a selection D. OPR. OPR nothing but it is the operation. What type of operation you are performing? That is called as a subtraction. Okay. Let us see what is the subtraction code here. So the subtraction code is this is the 00101. Okay. And we are writing the same code 001 01 and R2 010, R3 011, D nothing but R1 001. So it is the control word when you are combining all these bits, and it is called as a control word here. Okay, and this is the various steps of control words for the various operations here. It is called as a as per our example, subtraction R1 comma R2 comma R3, and it is the R operation. It is called as a increment. It is called a transfer A. Okay, and like that we can take the various types of control words here. But when you are taking the so many control words, what is the main theme is nothing but the selection A contains the 3 bits, selection B contains the 3 bits, selection D contains the 3 bits, operation contains the 5 bits. Okay, thank you.